right, good morning. It's the beautiful day. It's the cow that ate the blanket. So we're going to go through it. I'll play it through at kind of a normal speed first, and then we'll play it through very slowly. All right, so now nice and slowly for those of you who are still learning the tunes. Okay, and now we're going to go phrase by phrase. This tune's very repetitive, so once you have the first 4 bars, you kind of have almost all of the tune. So just that first 4 bars, those are just lead notes. Do that again. Now we're into the second 4 bars, most of which is exactly the same as the first 4 bars. Sorry. So what's different, the last 4 bars from the first 4 is that play just that phrase again. So putting all of that together, the entire A part, just through once. Now, if you're paying close attention, you would have noticed that but I didn't play it exactly the same every time. We've talked about these a few times, the triplets, that every now and then I put one in where it wasn't there before. That's just part of the music, so I want you to hear that. So now the B part. Notice in the B part, the last 4 bars, the ending, is exactly the same as the ending of the A part. So you just need to learn the first 4 bars of the B part. That. And that's pretty easy, just that. And then down every note. And then, so the B part, the part you need to get is that. There you go, the cow that ate the blanket.